Notice Jakes no want the Rosealee nothing at all. What does that tell you? Rosealee are going to the house with Cheryl making, you know? Rosealee are going to the house with Cheryl making. I should do the on the tile. Yeah, I should do the on the tile. I should do the on Cheryl money. Rosealee has sent, as bad man as Rosealee is towards Jakes, she still has sent Cheryl an important message in all her bad. Rosealee now only class Jakes a card share clean. They make Rosealee use nothing on that style, pa. Don't make she use nothing on that style. A card share clean. Rosealee little argument them steal. And when I say steal, I mean them steal. Nothing she can't say out her mouth for make sense. Here come a turn on live. And we don't want to hear about you and Jakes because we're not the same thing, we're parallel. You and Jakes are the same thing, we're ungrateful like dog. They don't never know that. Then Nessa, come here, Nessa. Nessa, come here. First and foremost, let me tell you my truth. Anything you get, you for take. Anything at all you get, you for take. Jakes a rubber dub in your face. Anything at all you get, you for take. Because you came out and you upset with me. Yeah, tell her me soon come. Tell her you soon come, my baby. Tell her me soon come. I just come. You see, anything you get, you have to take. When I was talking and I said, leave Rosealee alone, she's on a path to destruction. When you take up everything what Cheryl want to do, and you run with it, why you was the send out girl? And that me I talk about Nessa. And that me and Cheryl a plan behind your back and a plot. Now, the whole of them pan life, them no want to use you. Them a tell Jakes who to kick out of the camp and all of them something there. Nessa, what wrong with you? No, you look like the troublemaker on the app. Da da dee, da da do. I told her, me tell you, you know, I told you. I said, Nessa Purple, between me, you, and God, you don't need to do anything to Rosealee. She's on a path of self-destruct. You see, I always talk this on my program. You see, sometimes when I pray to God to get rid of some people or to help with some people, it's when time God I do it, when I stand up in the way. Nessa Bling, sorry. Nessa Bling. When I stand up in the way. When I stand up in the way and at that reach, then you think me sorry for you? No, they deserve more. Then you never know, say Jakes and Rosealee have the same attitude. Them ungrateful like dog. Them ungrateful like dog. Them have the same attitude. So you never know that. Then you think them that go carry upon them back forever. Then you think Cheryl is a lady. Eh? Nessa Bling, you think Cheryl is a lady? Why you think Rosealee used to treat Jakes like that? Anyway, the money the Jakes swing. That's why Rosealee could have talked about the 3 blind mice in a Jakes. The 3 blind mice in a Jakes. That is why. Me don't know how you walk and mix it, but on the mix up, you should get this and more. Nessa, you deserve a lot more. You deserve a lot more, my baby. Them for run you harder than this. Them should have run you harder than this. I kid you not. Because when me talk, me don't know me attack. Say, no, Shebada don't understand. Me don't need to understand one dirty people. Nessa, them are dirty people. Them are dirty people. I know you feel the weight of them. I say it go, my baby. I just part of life. You live and you learn. You live and you learn. Right now, Rosealee now bother got prison, Nessa. Rosealee ain't bother worrying going to prison. Jakes don't want to send Rosealee to jail. Jakes don't want to penalize Rosealee. Jakes and Rosealee are nyam out Cheryl. Let me tell you that. Them are nyam out Cheryl. Cheryl have to do everything for Jakes and the kids and make Rosealee relax. Now ask you know. At this I go on the app. At this I go on the app because me no come for doctor out in a situation and talk who wrong from who right. You understand me? Me no come for talk about that. Cause all of the day make Rosealee draw the attention and a clean card for pay back the old people them with teeth, for pay back them no more people them with teeth the people them card and come down come sport. And that Rosealee do. And I cuss Rosealee, I cuss Jakes about Shanta this and Shanta that. And at that, what Rosealee is doing is cleaning cards same way for the old people them while creating an argument. Remember so it go? Let's not forget. Let's not forget. That's why I don't know how you entertain her. You don't go up on our screen and see how the gift them run. And if the gift them around, you know exactly what time it is. None of this no real. Oh. None of this no real. Yeah. At that shadow, make back the money we should spend at the party. And the whole I wanna jump up for excitement. Una spirit too free. Rosealee crosses. Una spirit too free. And Jakes are hustle out tight too. Me now ask you know. Rosealee too free. All I know it's no longer Akeem or Akeem a treat ya or Akeem a name you out or Akeem a this. And all of a sudden is Jakes was never at the party like Jaden. He was never at the party. He never get no support. Not even World Dog where you get $800. You want it back. You gotta make it back. I saw them steer. I saw them steer. I saw them steer. Yeah. Me don't know only make people play with phone of freedom, so protect on the spirit. Rosealee know what she's doing. Rosealee eat the sound of my voice. Cause she know me I come talk it. She know me I come boss it. It's that shadow. Rosealee a demon and thief. All I know the kid no go underneath Shanta for swab. All I know. So me I wonder for something with the parents them used to. You want it look bad pan Jake, so you depend the upper hustle. Your daughter not even traumatized, she want on hairdresser. All of this no make no sense. No read the Nessa situation, no Nessa. Jake should have spit pan you. Me nah ask you. Jake's a one of them where you know for help in a life. The more you help Jake's him bite the hand we feed him. You know see it? Jake's take program from everybody where I give him gift. You know see it? You know see it? That's why when I class them freestyle. Me not class them with no brochure. Me not class them with no guideline. Me just class them because them are dirty people. It's no everybody has said Nessa enough. Nessa enough for true. Yeah, you leave St. Thomas come get spit and lick in the head and know you get rejection. How you feel? Eh? How you feel? When me did that talk, people think say me I pick up for Rosealee. No. Me never me say leave her, the girl I go down. Leave her alone. No trouble the woman. She have diabetes, no trouble her. Leave her alone, leave the woman alone. But no, that not sweet, yo. Cheryl a this and Cheryl a mix up for a big woman. Yes, sir. Let me tell you this. You see, for me used to somebody around down where we're going to Rosealee, you run from it. Because the same motive, the same thing we're going to Rosealee, come back and talk, or Rosealee think, or Rosealee this, or Rosealee that, and him used to shut him eye and swallow him pride. Remember fear tongue him used to suck out when the tongue ring rusty, and Rosealee toothbrushes for the family, even the granny will lay down on the ground with AIDS. You never know. More know if Jakes could have turned on me. At that me want to know. But could I never have a friend that says she want Jakes and no girl for my program. I say she be run a program for me, I'm a peer, you know. Give Jakes a message, tell him I love it. Me? A cute girl like me? Never did I go, You want Jakes, you go to Jakes yourself, you take a plane, come down, go see this, so Rosealee can spit by you. Nessa, you know nobody on the app now, why you alone get spit pump in your head and rejection. You get it from the both parties. And it's just the truth. It is just the truth. When a little bit of invested in a dirty water too much. You man, when a little bit of invest in a dirty water. Dirty water. Rosealee, nobody. Then me could have walked from St. Thomas or Portmore come look for GX. Yeah, me hear them say, Through Jakes, Nessa can't get Jakes. What bag of dirty something? Them are dirty people. Them remind me of Annie and her family. Them are dirty people. Notice Jakes no want the Rosealee nothing at all. What does that tell you? Rosealee are going to the house of Cheryl making her. Rosealee are going to the house where Cheryl make her. More should do the on the tile. Yeah, more should do the on the tile. More should do the on Cheryl money. Rosealee has sent, as bad mind as Rosealee is towards Jakes, she still has sent Cheryl an important message in all her bad mind. Listen, Cheryl, at 12 years she there with Jakes, and she know Jakes, she so hold him with boom and rum and $1,000. Boom and rum and $1,000 she used to hold him with. Yeah, natural blacks, them not remember them something, they leave them alone. I know we not come for credit from dirty people. Yeah, more Rosealee do on the tile. At that I want you do. You don't believe me? Nessa Bling, you not have no talk on the app. You not have no. Me not telling a lie. Me hear you over liar. You not make sense. Me hear you over TikTok liar and you're not making sense. You not make sense. Yeah, you sound like a doomsday. You walk from life to life. You try to prosecute Rosealee and it blow up in your face. Jakes want Rosealee go. Jakes just don't want to lick Rosealee. Jakes don't want Rosealee go. Eh? Old habits die hard. Old habits die hard. Jakes don't want Rosealee for going baby mother him. At that him know as she boss him when him come from country and have nowhere to live, sleep, nor stay. As she boss him, as she use the peanut shell and gone him. Yeah, me not ask you. Thank you, Roxanne, my baby. Me not ask you. Leave man or woman. Me tell you this already, and me gonna tell you again. Jakes not even have the slightest loyalty. If you say Nessa slip up in a, but me not gonna tell a lie. We put her in some terrible position. Just the other day, she get spit pan and thump in her head. You understand me? You know what? I saw some people stay. Bless up Nessa. Yeah, Jakes not even have the decency to say that. More on the app vex with my natural blacks. Cause remember say me not comfortable with the app. Remember me not Jaden, we sleep on this. Remember me not Rosealee, where I walk on down the app. Me not Akim, I want fame on this. Remember me not figure it out who them leave on the app for babysit. Remember me not them people there. Remember me not them people there, you know. Oh, so the app can't always come against me for talk the truth. I always tell them I pay dirty germs upon the app. Jakes is a wicked. That's why Rosealee says she push up 3 fingers in the man. And TikTok like asks if she did have her nails. Yeah, and it's true. A dirty people them there and Cheryl gonna feel it. Cheryl feel it already because she walk up ball and a complain to Sassy say Jakes and them up the money. And that's why the house slow. As she make the tile them go in shame. Then only never say that Rosealee did right. When time she say her grass I go in it, as she make the tile them go in. As Cheryl push this and a Jakes as Cheryl. As Cheryl push this. So Cheryl must mix up. Then if Cheryl take Jake, Cheryl mix up. Then Cheryl could have take Jake. Cheryl could have say Rosealee dog vomit and run go take it. Then what kind of woman Cheryl be? At that me want to know anybody take anything after Rosealee. Them not love themselves. Anybody take anything after Rosealee. Me say Rosealee could even take up a seal bottle of water give me out her case. Out of 30 out of 24 she couldn't touch it because me no want it. Much for sit down I want Jakes. Cheryl too nasty and Nessa Bling too careless. Cheryl too nasty for a big man and Nessa Bling is too careless. All I know Akin don't give himself to Rosealee because him scan her and a man him known to take and him scan she. What does that tell you, Cheryl? Anything Rosealee touch Rosealee done for. Yeah, Rosealee catches a goat mouth. Any plant it bite can grow. No, it's true. It is just the truth. Rosealee go like she a classer girl and Jakes go like him a classer man. And Jakes look like a brand new jail as a prisoner when him dress up. Jakes look like him just released. Yeah, and him in them family them clothes. Anytime Jakes put on clothes, I saw him look like him just let go out of the pain. Huh? If Jakes talk too hard, him mouth sod. Yeah, it's true. Jakes have a able boss mouth. Then you think say all me Cheryl too nasty too. Cheryl too, then when Jakes could have really whisper to me and tell me, Jake, me tell you, say Jakes, for me see Jakes sell out Iban, you know, me said that man is a wicked man. For me see him sell out the lady with the human GPS. Me said that man is a wicked man. For me sell out the child with the human GPS. I shake my head and I say, I say, Jakes don't even care. Jakes use the kids them to make money. And that no. He's so nice around the kids when they live on, and them can't find him later cause him the business with Shanta dash way. Oh, him can't find her. And him just not care. She will come back, she will resurface, cast the bread upon the waters, and it shall return unto you after many days. I see that. Only when the light turn on, he's a daddy. Only when the light is on, he's a dad. That's why they put them the mind being around him, because them get with murder short. You never know. A whole heap of things that them could have bust up and me just ignore them. Because them are dirty people, it not get no better. I wonder if you know say Rosealee and Jake set a family, them are the dirtiest set of family them are see you. When they never do no survey. I wonder if you know say Rosealee family and Jake's family are the dirtiest and nastiest set of family them are see you. When you go do no survey. When you go do no survey, ask anybody don't see you. Ask anybody. Are the most dirtiest and nastiest set of family. It's true. But tell you, it's a mad set of people, them kinky. Jakes is the only parent who do something until money involved. Him start ignore the kids them and start hustle for them and that if you understand. You see, sometimes when you're broke, you take care of your own than when you try to have money, you know. You ignore them, you never know. The same way Rosealee come out and manipulate the audience and sell the people them story. I saw Jakes use the internet and do. Me remember when Rosealee and Jakes malice. After 9 turkey neck, I go send a shop go buy for put on.